What's up, guys? Cycle20 here. So we're gonna continue on. We're gonna do public class main. I actually got rid of this on accident. PSVM, perfect. And let's play around with some numbers. Get a little used to numbers here. We'll do num and num1. That's fine. Equals, and we'll do 4. And all that essentially is all we're saying is, hey, this is gonna be an integer. So this is a variable. We're gonna assign it to the basically it's gonna be an integer, and then we're actually gonna give it an integer as well. So we just sort of initiate it with its actual value. So we kind of declare, hey, this is what it is, and we give it the value as well. And we're gonna do it again with int num2 equals 4, easy peasy. And essentially all we did, actually we'll do this real quick so it kind of pulls it all together. We'll do num1 plus num2, easy. All we did here is we said, hey, if you have 4 marshmallows in this hand and 4 marshmallows in this hand, and you put them all in your mouth at once, how many marshmallows do you have in your mouth? You'd have 8. You know, you'd probably be like, but you have 8. You got 8 marshmallows in your mouth. That's all it is, right? And that's what result is here. So you got 4 marshmallows in the right hand, 4 marshmallows in the left hand, slap them all in your mouth. Actually, we can just do that. To make it even easier, we'll say right hand. I'm fairly certain that is the correct case method for Java. Not 100% certain, though. I'll look into that. Python would be like snake case. JavaScript would be camel case. That's what this is. I'm assuming Java is camel case. I don't know right now. I'll figure it out. No bigs. Not that important at the moment, honestly, because right now I'm just goofing off to figure out the syntax and to kind of learn Java, because that's like the one language I just never really touch. Left hand, easy. All right, so then we can do system.out.println, and we can say you have, well, this will be a funny way, and we'll do add result. Actually, why don't we just make this mouth? Mouth. All right. And we'll add mouth here, plus, and we'll do marshmallows in your mouth. Easy. That'll make things a lot easier, I think. Put that on the outside. Okay, so essentially all it is, you got 4 marshmallows. You know, you slap them together, you put them all in your mouth. There you go. You got what I can only imagine would be 8 marshmallows, because that's 4 plus 4, right? And we can actually check that. We'll do javac main, hit tab. Whoopsie daisy. Main, hit tab. That way we don't type it out, because why type it out every time if you don't have to? And then do Java main with a capital M. That's important. And so you have 8 marshmallows in your mouth. How do you spell marshmallows? Marshmallow. I'm pretty sure. If not, I'm sure someone will. Marshmallow. I have not spelled marshmallows in a while, but that's an easy way to remember, right? This is a variable. This is a variable. You put them together, throw them in your mouth. You got 8 marshmallows. Easy, easy peasy. From there, let's see here. I know they have float, so we can do like float price equals like 499. Is that correct? Why is that not correct? Oh, because it thinks it's a double? That's what it is? It has to be the F? Okay, so then if I said double prices equals 699. Okay, well, I guess you don't have to put a D there as well, so that's fine. Cool. Now we have prices and doubles and floats, and let's see here. Real question is, can you add those? I don't know. I'm guessing you can't. I'm going to guess you can't. So we'll actually do, no, because I don't think you can because of the type. You'd have to probably do some sort of casing or something. I won't worry about that right now. Okay, so we got the prices, and actually, you know what we'll do is just kind of like keep compounding on what we've already slightly learned, kind of. So we're going to do import java.utils.scanner. No, .util.scanner. There it is. Sweet. We'll do the same thing we did before. We'll do scanner sc equals new scanner. There we go. And we'll do system.in. Perfect. System in. All right. I think we might actually be able to get to doing some very small mods in Minecraft sooner than I think. I don't know how long it will take, but I have like a, I don't want to say even a good understanding. I have a baseline understanding of Java, only from other languages. It's just a little more verbose. There's more stuff to type. Python would be like these lines right there, and this would just say print, and these would just say left hand and right hand. I mean, this same thing right here. Let me show you. Actually, just because I want to prove my point. Not that it really matters, but I just think it's funny. It's like that same thing would just be, hey, we would do num1. Oh no, we would do right hand. Right hand equals 4. Don't even need that. Left. Oh, but the difference is that we would do right hand equals 4. Sorry about that. Left hand equals 4 because it's snake case. Awesome. Hit save, and then we would just do result equals, and we could actually just do, we'll do this. Result equals right hand, perfect, plus left hand, perfect, and then we'll print F. Print F. Say, you have, oh, I'm supposed to make that mouth. You guys know. You have, and we'll do result, so we'll just do result. Yep, result. So it'll be 8, the comma, marshmallows in your mouth. Easy peasy. Then we can just run that, and we'll do python 3 main.py. You have 7 marshmallows. What did I? Oh, pfft. I was like, what did I do wrong? How did I mess that math up? There you go. So that same bit of code we just did, it's the same. I mean, you can tell that we're starting to get more verbose. There's just more to it. That's the whole thing. There's just more to it. There's more going on, but I mean, there's the Python version. Keeps it simple. It basically, it's a dynamically typed language, so you don't have to worry about saying, hey, it's an integer. It knows. It's like, yeah, you put a number in it. I figured it out. Pretty easy. So we can go from there, and actually what we'll do, since I brought the scanner in, oh, that's what it's going to show. If you wanted to get input from the user, you can just do this. You can say, hey, name equals input, enter name, and that's literally it. There's no scanner, there's no open, there's no close. That's the same thing. That's the same thing as doing java.utils.scanner, scanner, sc equals new scanner, system in, age equals sc.nextIn. I mean, that's crazy. Or you could just do name equals input, but, they didn't write Minecraft in Python, so here we are. No bigs. We'll just do it this way. No problem. Love it. And then you could just honestly print, do an F, and be like, your name is... So I got distracted with the Python, and just put name. That's that simple. And there you go. And then we could run that again, actually, and boom. Just put in Joe with a really bad... Oh, sorry, that's Ruby. Actually, I think that's actually JavaScript. Sorry, that's if you're going to do like a template literal. But that's not what we're doing right now. There you go. Name is Joe. Boom. Easy. Get rid of that. Okay, so for the same concept, we're going to do the same thing over here, essentially. But this time, we're going to do int age, because we're going to want an age, and we've already created our scanner. So we're going to have this age, and then we're going to do, let's do age equals sc.nextInt. Perfect. And from there, we're going to say if age, let's say, is less than 18, we'll just say system.out.println no drinking, but you can't come in and sit. Yes, there you go. Because we might as well be nice to everybody. So then come in and sit. Now, if we have else if, and we do age is less than, we'll do 21. We'll do this because now they're going to be in that like 19, 20 area or like age group. So we'll be like, okay, we'll see else if age, and we'll do system.out.println. Do almost there, but no drinking still. Okay, now otherwise should be pretty much anything else. You just say, hey man, there should be over 21 at this point. Else system.out.println. There we go. Come in and drink. Easy peasy, right? Okay. Now that's probably mainly only in America. I don't know. Every country has different drinking laws and all that sort of stuff. So there you go. But that should do it. So now we're going to ask for the input, and it'll be an integer, which we have right here. We're going to save that, and then we're going to do a comparison. Okay, so we're going to just do javac main Java, and then we'll do it again. We'll do main. Oh, sorry, Java main, not main. Java main. Oh, did I forget to do that again? All right, we'll do 21. Come on in to drink. I forgot to add the, we'll do enter system.out print line. We'll do enter your age. This is a very simple sort of if statement. It's nothing too crazy. Probably if you've never seen it before, you're probably like, what in the world, man? But it's not too crazy. It's you know, your normal trying to learn a new language's syntax sort of thing. We'll do 67. Boom, there you go. We'll run it one more time, and we'll do 19 because that's in between. Almost there, but still not drinking. Perfect. Works great. So that's pretty sweet, actually. Hopefully you guys picked up a little bit. If you've never programmed before, it's a very small sort of crash course into Java as I try to figure out what all I can do with it and just kind of playing around with it right now. I wonder if I take float, I would do more prices, and we do equals. Actually, I think I make this camel case equals 299 f, and then I just do check out. I think this will be a float. So float check out equals, I'll do price plus more prices. Okay, perfect. And I don't know if this is going to work. That's why I'm being a little more print line. I'm pretty sure it will, but checkout cost is, I'm assuming it will, is, go over here and do checkout. There we go. And that is incorrect right now because I need to put that there, and I also need to add a plus. Problem solved. Okay, so let's run that one more time. I think froze there. Okay, there we go. Run that one more time. Age, we'll do 19. Almost there, but still no drinking. Ah, perfect. And we got the cost. Awesome. And now we don't need all the extras there, but that's pretty sweet. I think you can do like, I'm not even gonna try. I think in Python it's like 0.2f, and then you're good. But like I said, going from this, you know, to something like this, it's just, that's a lot more, man. It really is. Like, granted, this is much bigger, but like that's, Ruby, Python, simple, easy. JavaScript isn't that bad. Java is just really, it's got a lot of stuff. It has a lot of stuff. It's very verbose. It is what it is. But anyway, I hope you picked up on some, and we're moving ever closer to starting to mod Minecraft. It's got to be a fun adventure, a fun thing to start doing. Once we really get into the groove of Java and start moving through it, I think we have no problem at all. So we'll see you guys in the next one.